Hello everyone, today we are moving on to a new subject, geological environment and health. First of all, let's look at the outline of today's lesson. Number 1, concept and features of biogeochemical disease, also known as endemic diseases. The second one, iodine deficiency disorders, short for IDD. Third one, endemic goiter, followed by endemic cretinism. And finally, endemic fluorosis. First of all, let's look at the first topic, concept and features of biogeochemical disease. What is biogeochemical disease? Due to the uneven distribution of chemical elements of crustal surface, the element's content is too low or too high in some areas, leading to a specific disease in a particular region, known as biogeochemical or endemic disease. So as we can see from this definition, the key points are, first of all, uneven distribution of element. The second one is diseases are formed because of the uneven distribution of the elements. And the third one is the diseases are in a particular region. That's why it's called biogeochemical disease. So now let's move on to the characteristics of biogeochemical disease. First of all, as we just mentioned, those diseases, they have a district regional distribution and can have obvious regional differences. And the second one is the diseases are associated with element levels in the environment. This correlation in a different time, place, and the ground was very obvious. For example, as we can see from this map, from dark purple to white is the severe iodine deficiency to lots of iodine concentration. So as we can see from here to here, the iodine concentration goes up. And while the concentration goes up, as we can see, patients are first suffering with iodine deficiency, and then a human have the risk of iodine-induced hyperthyroidism. So that means that we need iodine, but there's a safe range for iodine. Either too little or too much will cause a problem. Similarly, we can see from this map, which is the countries with endemic fluorosis due to excess fluoride in drinking water. As we can see, where the endemic fluorosis happens is always where the excess of fluoride was found. So the third characteristic is a clear dose-response relationship between some chemical elements and biogeochemical diseases. And finally, the above correlation can be explained by modern medical theories. There are several main biogeochemical diseases in China: iodine deficiency disorders, endemic fluorosis, endemic arsenic poisoning, endemic selenium poisoning, Kazan disease, and Kashnin-Bag disease. And in today's lesson, we will explain in detail the iodine deficiency disorders and endemic fluorosis as examples for better understanding of biogeochemical disease. Iodine deficiency disorders there are two main types of symptoms. The first one is goiter, which is the enlarged thyroid, and the other one is cretinism. Endemic fluorosis can be found in teeth and also in skeleton.